Hi. Today I had my appointment with Dr. Gomes. He is the specialist for thyroid and parathyroid. So I was able to see him. He said he's not gonna do my surgery. He's referring me to another doctor, an ENT surgeon, because he explained that the lymph nodes beside the thyroid has to be removed as well based on the CT scan result. So the ENT surgeon needs to see me first to do some scope for my throat to see that my nerve in my larynx, in my voice box is not affected. If that nerve is still intact, then he's gonna do a surgery. But if that nerve is damaged, I need to go through an intensive surgery, which I have no idea where. It's probably be in Calgary, but I'm just hoping and praying that it's gonna be here in Lethbridge because it's really hard. I don't even know where to go from here. I'm scared. I'm trying to be brave, but I am really scared. But I just hope everything is okay when I see her. I'm just waiting for her call. I hope she'll call me so it's done sooner. Sorry guys. I'll keep you updated next time. So, thank you. Bye-bye.